Have you ever worked in Microsoft Word, typing your project, term paper, or assignment, and you happen not to save it abort unexpectedly, maybe due to power failure or system crash? You are saying, wow, what should I do? What should I do? Don't worry. Hello, you're welcome to Science Array with Glory Valentine. Today, we will learn the practical solution on how to recover unsaved, deleted, or lost Microsoft Word documents free without using any software. Let's get started. After typing this, I did not save it. So in such a situation, if you want to save the file, you may see a pop-up. Microsoft Word Office is not responding. If you close the program, you might lose information. Close the program, wait for the program to respond. You may also have other pop-up that says Microsoft Word is not responding. Windows can try to recover your information and restart the program. So in such a situation, you may restart the program and still get your information. Waiting for the program to respond sometimes takes a longer period. Or in another case, what I have typed here, I just definitely forgot that I did not save, and I go to the Start menu and shut down the system. Let's see how to recover the information after the shutdown. Launch Microsoft Word document. You will see Show Recovered Files. Click on Show Recovered Files. And this happens to be the recent recovered file. Click on it. Here, the documents have been recovered. The document recovery task plan contains some recovered files that have not been opened. Could you like to view these files the next time you start Word? Yes, I want to view these files later. No, remove the files. I have saved the files I need. I'll just press OK. I have not saved the file. I don't want to save the file because we want to recover unsaved file. Second option, launch a Microsoft Word document. Open a blank document. Go to File, click Open. You will see Recover Unsaved Document. Click Recover Unsaved Document. Here is the document. And here happens to be the list of all your unsaved documents. You click on the latest version. Open. The document has been recovered, and you can click on Save As and save to the destination that you want to. But for this reason, because we want to recover unsaved document, I will not save it and we'll go for the third option. Option 3. Click on the File tab, click on Info, scroll to Manage Documents. Click. You will see Save As, save a copy of this file, recover unsaved documents. Click here and you check on the latest version which you did not save, because here are the list of unsaved files. You click on the latest one, opened, and here is your document. Here is save as. You can save the document to the folder or directory which you want. Option 4. Go to your Start menu and type on the Run command app. Click Run, and on the Open, type app data. Click OK. Click on Local. Under Local, you'll see Microsoft. Scroll. Here is Microsoft. Click on Microsoft. Scroll and you will see Office. Click on Office. Under Office, you will see Unsaved Files. Click, and here happens to be the list of all your unsaved files. This method is possible to recover not only Microsoft Word documents but other like PowerPoint here that I did and did not save. You will see all other files that have not been saved. So you can click on the recent file, because here are the dates of the files. So you can click on the recent file that you did not save. Click, double click on it and open it. So here is the document and I have recovered this. You can also click Save As and save in the directory or folder which you wish to. Check your recycle bin. Double click on it and you will see a list of all the files that you have not saved, the unsaved file. So you click on the latest file, double click on it, you will see Restore. Also note the file directory, because when it has been restored, it will be saved in this location. You can also right click on it and click on Restore. You can also change the auto recovery information so that all your documents will be saved every 1 minute. Go to File, scroll to where you have Options, and here is the General tab. Go to where you have Saved, click on Save, and you will see Save Auto Recovery Information. Here happens to be the default minutes, which is 10 minutes. You can reduce it to 1 minute so that your information when typing will be saved every 1 minute. Click on OK. Thank you for watching.